Hey friends, thanks for clicking on this video. So, okay, don't mind my appearance. We're gonna get it together in this video. So yes, I'm doing another styling video. I saw this girl, I can't remember if it was on YouTube or Instagram or maybe even TikTok, but she basically like blew dry her whole head or blow dried her whole head, and then had like a ponytail, and the back was she did twists, and I thought that was so cute. So I kind of want to try to replicate that style, but for me I want to slick back the front because since my hair is short, I don't really want to have to like pin it down. I just want it to be slicked and gelled down, and then the back part is what I will blow dry. So hopefully this style comes out cute. I'm going to do the ponytail portion first and then blow dry the back. So this is what we're starting off with. I wet my hair in the shower, and this is what we have. These are the products I'm gonna use. I will use the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sealing Cream as my leave-in. This African Pride Moisture Miracle Curl Defining Gel as my gel, and then just some oil that I have, and then I just have this spray bottle with water. So my hair has gotten a little dry since I've gotten out of the shower, so I'm just gonna spray it a bit with some water before I add the leave-in. I think that's good. So I'm gonna add the leave-in now. I'll insert a clip, but I already, made sure that this leave-in works well with this gel, so I won't have any weird buildup. So this is what it looks like. Smells really nice. This is actually the first time I'm using this. If you check out my closet clean out video, there's a lot of stuff that I have never actually like really used. So just trying to get through my products this year. I don't think I said it already. No, I definitely didn't say it already, but Happy New Year, guys. It's 2023. I can't believe it. 2022 went by so quickly. Sorry, my scalp's a little itchy, so just gonna put the product in and use my brush to brush it through. Just gonna add a little bit more. This side is done. And now it's not supposed to be blurry. That was a fail. Okay, that was supposed to be like a smooth, cool transition, but it really wasn't. But yes, I finished detangling the second half, so we're just gonna get started on the ponytail part. So it's all detangled. So I'm just gonna take some gel. I'm really like only focusing on the front because the back's gonna get blow dried, so I don't need any gel there. So just like on these sections, slick down to my desired style. I hate when gel gets under my nails, but inevitable. Let me talk to you guys. How was your new year and how is your year starting off? I hope so far so good. No issues. I don't know, did you guys do vision boards or like write down goals that you hope to accomplish? I haven't done that yet, but my plan is actually to do it today. So I saw this girl who on TikTok did, instead of like your traditional vision board with the pictures, she made it into a bingo sheet. And I feel like that aligns with me way more than the picture one. Cause even I was telling my cousin, like that picture idea, I did that like 2 years in a row because I went to like vision board parties. And basically, I just put that thing in my closet. I never looked at it again for the rest of the year. So honestly, too much effort and not enough results when I do it that way. I don't know, girl or boy, who's ever watching. So I'm pretty sure I want the ponytail here. Yeah, because then the twist or the braids that I do will have like some visual hang time. And yeah, this is how I want it to be. Oh my gosh, doing ponytails, excuse me, hurts your arms so much. I don't know, is that just me or my arms are killing me? Okay, I'm gonna go in with my scrunchie, this thing, and just do my ponytail. Bro, how am I gonna pull this through? You just tuck it in. Yeah, okay. Just fully through, and then, yeah. I don't know if I like it that much so far, but you know, trust the process. I'm going to blow dry the ponytail part. This is the blow dryer I'm gonna use. It's this Conair Infinity Pro. Okay, so this is good. It doesn't need to be bone straight, just like a little stretched. And while I was doing that, yes, I noticed that my hair is sticking out, so I think I'm gonna try to redo the ponytail because yeah, it's looking a little crazy. And I don't think this is, dang, this came out super easy and it was so hard for me to put in. Put a little oil on my scalp and probably a little more gel here. I'm gonna try this scrunchie. Okay, that's better. So now we're going to do the braids. I think I'm gonna do 4. Like split this in 2. How can I pin this? split this into, let me just, hold on. And then, that's not good. And then split this into, this is just gonna be one braid. Yeah. So yes, one plait done. Let me see how it looks in the back. Wait, it doesn't look that bad actually. It doesn't look that bad. You can see like a little of the short part, but I think it's a, yeah, you can see the short part, but it's okay. I think it's a cute little style. Yeah, I'm definitely leaving this in. And then even probably I can, if I really wanted to, can you guys see? I think if I really wanted to, I could just wrap it in a bun. And that's cute too. Cute. So that's a quick little tutorial. I think it's cute. I just gotta figure out these edges, bro. But I think once I put my scarf on and like flatten it out, it'll be really cute. So I don't typically do these types of things because I don't know if they look okay. What do you think? Should I leave these or put them back? I just wanted something like in addition to the baby hairs. I need to watch a YouTube tutorial on baby hairs because mine don't look that, mine never look that nice. And I know like people have super nice baby hairs. Maybe that's just because that's natural for them. Okay, so we're gonna end this video here. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Try out this style and let me know what you guys think. You can also in the comments let me know anywhere where I went wrong or what I could have done better. But to me, this is cute and I'll definitely like wear this. Like I'm not taking it out, so but yes, this is gonna be my style for the week. And yeah, I already said comment if you like it or have any suggestions. Like the video if you liked it, and then subscribe if you like me. No, me is supposed to be like, I don't know, because this is like period, but whatever, I'm done. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.